You see the face, hear the voice, and know see a bulb represent the things we hide. And nobody go watch it, because our night bad, mad, and sick bomb of them. Watch out, man. Just run go over there, no people. You know what things said. Like, share, and comment.
Right.
Never likes.
You don't know, say I see the artist I represent you. And Bulby don't tell you things we hide part G. So check it. And if you not subscribe yet, subscribe now.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
So.
Where I say? Eh?
Oh, so we got one sir from
Where I say? Where say?
Alright, me come for tell us say me a go Jamaican when me come for the week down.
Listen. Right now, you could have go and feel like you see right now they lock up my boss. You understand?
Where your boss?
What you mean, what my boss? Then lock up my boss, girl. You don't know my boss. Eh? To how you know for everybody busy, you don't know my boss. You don't know Rasta. You don't know Rasta. Yeah. So you see, you know, I just say if the public. Me don't know what me they lock him up, you know. But what me I get to understand is that like a some setup go on. You understand? Some setup, somebody set up him. And me not like that. Me not like that at all. Me not like that. Eh? When my boss get locked up now, and me sit down here so. Me just sit down here so. Who will pay me?
Go get a 9 to 5.
Who will pay me?
Go get a government work.
How me belly all full? How me belly all full? Get which 9 to 5 work?
I go get a government work.
Get which government work? So my boss I do no government work. Eh?
That's a government work.
Me tell you something. See right now my head very, very steamy right now. So you see where you are come. You don't make no sense right now what you are saying now. You don't really make no sense right now.
I'm not say true, you have a family, you just there, so
What you mean by that? What you do to make me alright? Eh? What you do to make me alright?
I think you may go here.
Go on, nobody not stop you.
Oh, nerves.
I'm done for my nerves. Eh?
My grandma always say, what sweet you, go sour.
See the girl sour you, see the girl sour. No, me can't sour me. No, me can't sour me, I miss sour that. Oh. Who is that? Hello? Hello? Yes, this is Pinky. Eh? We must carry money for bail him. Okay. Okay, alright. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay.
I want money.
Where say I do? Cause
Me I go where say where you go?
yeah, me I go down high station. Cause they say they want money for bail him. So me have to go down high station right now. So you can't take your leave.
Yes, Pinky. As me say, just be careful. I know where you are.
You feel be careful,
I
I
watch
know
your
what you do. Now, you watch for your back. Me ever watch my back, you feel watch for your back. Oh.
But Pinky, I'm not serious now. Man, hurt you. Me and your cousin, we are friends, we are sister. We have a bond. We grow together. I true me we are gonna do what me have to do. I know me come back. But since me come back, Pinky, there's a lot of wrong things you do. Which me know say our lifestyle no true.
Lot of wrong things like what? What you talk about?
I don't understand no.
Eh?
Pinky, me I understand.
What you come after?
When me I come out
Yes.
is see your boss gone to jail, right? And you there so now and you stress out you want money.
Okay.
What me I say is that you need to let him go and go
Okay.
get a 9 to 5. Because if you let him go, you get a 9 to 5, you don't have nobody to depend
Oh, me feel like how you set up my boss so.
What the hell I just say?
What the hell? What you mean by what the hell? What you ball out? What the hell I just say? Oh, me feel like you set up my boss so.
No, why would I set up public? Me love public.
Huh?
You know me love public. From back then, and you know see I'm a man. So why would I set him up?
For you come and just move one way so and you're just too inquisitive. Look how you're inquisitive of yourself. You see, right now me have to go good on they go bail my boss. You know what I have to go do right now? I have to go out they go look some money. Eh? You can't help him. You love him, you can't help him. Help him now, not like how you love him. Help him.
I help him.
So help him now.
I help him.
Where help him do? Come like I must help him, put him down there. Come like I must see that you do.
But I don't have to know you road run one choose from.
Come like I must help him, put him down there. Come, you don't make one sense right now. Right now, no want money. Everything what you have to do in this lifetime is money. Right.
I know Pinky. Choose a path right where you want because we choose a road of no return.
I'm going to choose a path where right for you because I will choose the road when I'm returning for you. Alright, and me don't talk. You see, when people like I don't know for yourself, now people business are not nosy. Eh?
Let me tell you something. You see me as a little cousin, can't say me never want you.
Can't say you never want me. You just talk
Me
us I
want
can
you.
talk about 111.
And that's
111.
me I put in the right path and that's it. Because you never have to do yourself. You never have to
Me
do
never have to there so you never have to there so.
You never have to
Oh.
do yourself, Pinky.
I'm sorry, me I'll make you come at too.
Yes, sir.
That
Remember,
me
say
make
this is
you
a
know.
family house.
I don't
And you
I
never have no choice.
I don't
if me did want
business.
come. Me never have to ask for
I
your
don't
son, and me coulda
business.
just pop up yourself.
Why you could pop up so come would just what I let them would have change you could come in and I must kick you
Alliance,
kick off the door.
But that
I'm-
a easy one to
I
achieve
must
for
kick
you.
you and kick off the door.
That a easy one
Girl,
to
go and
achieve
come in
for
a
you.
trust her right now. Right now, me not trust her. Go on if you are go
You
on.
not trust me?
Go on.
And me have to
You
trust.
say you come down here.
Because you sit down here so I chat right now.
You say
You
you
never have
come.
to do your
You
search.
say you come down here so. And you work where you do it done. Go on by your business. Because any work where you come down here upon and it done. As payment is where you say it done. Just know say it not done fully. Go on where they go, mama.
This is
Me
something.
not
I'm tell you
talking.
something. You see work when me do, I'm tell you say done. No say I done for you.
Why
That's
would
why me
I
have
go,
to live
mama?
up for you, so.
You
can't
better do.
steer
You
yourself.
better do and watch your back. Because the thing what you do must come to light. So you better watch for your back.
So you don't know anything you do come
Oh.
to light. It come to light already, but they
It
just
come
ready
to...
for you.
Where you say a while ago?
No, later. Have a wonderful
Where you say a while ago? Eh? Oh, where I go? Coming up just for morning. Oh.
Yo! What one? Hey, look for his chest.
There's no more money that I know me can't hear from boss and one bag of city. Right now, stress out to show you.
Which boss you talk? For your boss?
You know me fear talk.
See when you were going?
What going?
Yeah. FBI come for fear boss. You don't must see fear boss for right now.
What I tell?
Look for me good. Me have on a hat.
Call him, I call him.
Me not capping. Alright, call. Me sit down.
No, that me I left my phone.
What you know? Me a chat me
Yeah,
tell.
I left my phone.
Me a chat me tell.
You say boss, you know?
FBI come for alright, that's when you see the unknown object eh?
Mm-hmm.
If you understand, say the informer,
That
the unknown object will be what boss in a be.
a pinky cousin.
Alright. So you are going now. Remember say you know, boss in a supply a portion of people, you know. That man they are jail now. Them in a no supplier. Both of them not sure what they are. Kinda gonna see you now. Fall, wait when you feel jack back at you now. You understand? But it's about to watch a go and steal.
So come get to the point, my friend. Where you want to talk? Where you really come yourself is
Oh.
Because I know saying you just pull up down your saying.
No, but me hear some news, me have to come check you there. I don't know what. Because I see you look stressed, you say you want some food. But I tell you so I can squeeze them for the thing, you know, I can make a $2 million a month. You know, then they make a nice piece of
You know what
food.
you tell me say I'm make a treat.
It take too long to decide that. I make me have to do too much work, you know, brother. I don't know.
Granny say, when I'm younger, my granny normally say you eat liquor, you live longer still around with people. So I tell the man, if me can't do better, me have to work with you can't do for me till.
So me know you're wise, catch you know. Remember, you have your own boat, you know. And if you have to wise, I know, so the food in your hand, you try line up a boat, because it's a fleet you want, you know. One boat can do it, 2 or 3 can do it within a fleet, you know. But as you try to tell us, say, why? Market open. So you're going. Me, I will just make it connect them. So we can want the business go and run back as usual. Case just like how you know here say boss the jail, enough people don't know it, you know. So you don't have to just hold the fort and know such a now. You that represent, me that represent. But this time the money comes straight to it. I know you have not boy from Pink Can though.
No, so you not from none of them.
Brad's come like him soft out and
Brad's
can't take
come
pressure.
like friend Brad's get locked up, my Brad's like he turn madman, you think like.
You see what going
Yeah,
on?
that you man
Like
have
chest
go
out.
away you.
Judge you. And that bird you go listen come up to and if I just say I'm going to. Judge. But watch out now. You see, me don't know how much boss used to deal for. Me don't have a percentage right because I say me have the books them. So you don't know if I'm going to respond to western side, respond to eastern side. We don't know if you cook, we don't know if everything. So now, what we go on some more soldier.
So I try to tell me say, want more soldier, you have money for pay a soldier. Because right now for me $2 million touch, you know me dog. I tell a brother, you know.
You know where yourself about that, man. You know where yourself about that, man. Operation time now. Bigger man try to show them. You're not going to be a roadside again. To me tell you, you need some soldier. Because you alone can supply them 30 man there on this by yourself up and down every day. You're going to need 2 soldiers here foot. They say that you have to spend money for make money. Make you feel like I'm going to take over the business now. You never want to spend no money, brother. If you not spend the right money, that means you not find out long time. So that the catty D there was a mole. But he not spend the right cash. How me find out, how me get the information? I said police boy was sending girl call spy pan the man, me go give piece of food and he run everything. Every school used to go everything. And if boys you know do that from morning, everybody that see her, they tell me say brother you have to spend money to make money. Or make a feel like me can't bother give the children. Cause me have to go down here my 5 go spend some if my 5 shan't to feel 3 go shan't to you feel like. Eh? Say got business, what you say? 2 more chip, you can't start make a 5.
Nah man, pre that still. What you know?
Just keep your phone active.
No man, I go down your road.
All the stash run down.
Yeah,
Something reading and right, my dog.
No. I go down your road, yeah.
Boy. Go on and afford me. Yeah man, if you don't have the cash in hand man, a direct deposit you know, 2 million a month you know man. Yeah man. Boy bossy me now, I got jail still but can't waste no time. I'm on left on my mind.
Bossy get knocked up. Yo, bossy. I ring your phone, but I not get to it or something. So I just say I go leave a message for your phone. Anytime you go near your phone or so you just link me. It's like, yeah, but me I hear a little something, man. Me say you get locked up, my friend. And I be a things me I hear. Remember say, you know, if people in panic in a street, the people in a street want food and me want food too, and I be things are going on right now. I call me, say me I call you, but me not get to you. You see me? Say more know what really are going. Yeah, me really want to know what really are going, cause what you know? Right now, me youth they hungry, you know. Me hungry right now, you know, me up on the street, you know, stress out in a boss right now. But me know what I go on. That's why, man, as I get this a little message, you link me back. Right away, no hitching me bossy. Yeah, cause be things are going right now and boy, me just hear you say, boy, me don't even know. Bossy, give me a link. Me know if I real pre, if you not link me back, so you get locked up. You see me? As me tell you before, I be a riot go on. The dog they hungry, dog they say they want their money. You see me? In a real life. So what you know? When I get the message, I'll link my back right away. Yeah. So just there now, man. What you are doing?
Then I'm just come back down, you know, and everything. So you want work?
What good, man? How long are you there for?
About 1 month and add, but I could call link it, so I come down upon a mission, you know, similar really. Go places unless a mission me depend. Even though I have some banana and go, I understand.
I get all your total, man. So what kind of mission that's?
You know, say, remember my ex, public. I me come from.
Public?
Me get him.
What do you mean I get him?
What do you mean by what me get him? Me carry me in.
You lock him up?
Yeah, me come down here like me did the investigation and me all my cousin, all Pinky, my cousin. They in it too, you know.
So make you lock up public?
Too. That me not like that out there. What do you mean what me lock up public? You know, so you know what kind of work public I do?
No, not really.
You know what kind of work you do, David. Hey, David, don't play with me, now,
That's cool
David.
and that. So, but you have to lock him up.
What you mean, me never feel like him up?
So you and him, you and him chat again. Or you not like him do sit make you not like him.
You know, do nothing. It's just that more I get higher in my work, you know. Me have to put my work first. Or else my life depend on the line for this. You understand?
I understand what you say totally, you know,
But me, you see you, me not like how you move still, you know.
but no man,
You move like a corrupt. I remember say you work this.
no man, of course. I job and boss I will take it out, you know. Protect your citizens them.
You take it over, protect your citizens, but you not move like you want to
Why
protect
make you
your
say so?
citizens.
Me just say because you know you could have give him some leniency. Remember say the law is not by letter, you know. Sometimes you can work around it.
Let me tell you something. 5 years now, they have a public. I'm gonna come down here 1.5 months and catch that man. And the reason why then they put me on the case, because me and closest person then realize I can get towards him. Because not TV people them running not so close to him like me. You understand? So the easy 1, 2, 3 if you catch him.
Well, I understand what you say still. But enough for public. Public so in the jail.
Yeah, but I feel like he go come out soon because they will need more information. They not fully get everything so they can just lock him up. So, but he not come out.
Anything if happen, go happen. Don't even worry about it.
But me have to go stay up on the road because knowing him and see on the road, know so that boy are going to come out from me now. I have to take back.
My cousin just stay safe, you know.
Yeah, man.
They are the right to do.
Just make up yourself and make sure you say, take your work serious.
Of course.
Because this is a work, yeah. A good work and a government work. Remember, say if you lose your job, and when pension come, you know no pension. Stay in your job.
Believe
Stay
me.
focused.
Alright.
Alright.
Lock up public.
Hey, bit dog. Oh, there man, I go.
Oh, you know bad man.
Yeah, alone up on the block.
You know who else there?
We have to check you, man. Come and say, we are alone and take you, man. Every day I say, I come check you in the car channel. You don't know what going for the boss, you don't?
Yo, that's not my business, you know bad man. That's not my business. One to my food.
I remember my child to come show man, somebody said this, they get mashed up, daddy, no food, no leave. Me not get no food in the daddy.
Bad man, where you try to tell me, sir, bro? Where you try to tell me? So all of them the money there, you tell me, say that gone in jail.
John, youth, is a way to look upon it, so don't.
Look for what's up. I don't care about look for it. What my piece of food there?
Let me not get no food neither, but me not but me try to show you some line where try run up on next piece of mission right now, my dog.
Bro, me don't hear about no mission, bad man. Bad man, me don't hear about no mission, no
Bad
bad
man,
man.
remember say we need for your link in the bad man. Remember say you get the thing cross on the next side now, bro. Say you need the things, my friend. I said to her try to set the thing right so money can make, brother. You think now mash up so again, brother. That's why I just trust me, brother.
Bad man, want film a piece of food, that me I declare. When film a piece of food, you come and I can't tell me about that. My business about that. Which time you tell me about?
Bad man, you say you know, bad man say we are responsive thing, no bad man. I'm telling you, I said no done, but watch it, man. I one other see him, my father. They tell me say general so come back around to another time.
No, you know I hear about no general. You know I hear about no general. My money me I defend. Where I tell me about a general for?
I mean, I don't money figure right now, daddy, but I can't give you sit still. You know?
What I take you and give me?
Just hold them, man. Just hold them, man. That I forget, man. You say I got man. Monkey belly, man. I should lie them. Nothing, not that. So you got now?
Really? You look so.
Oh, my look.
Yeah, better. So.
First, right now, I think and I wonder how I go manage all of my money I make right now, my friend. Wonder when I go put it.
So we can go link TV.
TV.
Mm.
Oh.
But say my man we always collect certain things and organize up
Boy, I know say TV gone on a flight though, my friend.
mm.
So 1 way trip, no return. You know?
So that's so and so.
I know say that I go link the man there for cash him such enough. A we responsive thing and also so money I want to clean for you now daddy. I don't know say that the man on there bad me tell me say oh you not take no talk of us money my deal it and so and style brother. Such enough. Long story short, I know say man rush me around there my friend. So I feel to see my fan pop off for the manners. Yeah man, so that you go to sue you about him man. You go to find me and pull a blood around the right now. You don't know. I true man rate as me G to dog man dog should even know you, but right now a different ball here. I make sure some of them flip. So as slick. So some of them I even go wait till they step, I go push down some of them. You don't know. Believe them for I grab me things, so I say 1 million a month.
Anything you say no boss?
Alright, me like that.
Yes, man.
So hear me say now. Just keep your eye open. Right now more so run for Jesus. We connect.
Man, I fucking go 1 year a month. So I'm not do the time that the boss here come out. No man, I want to see a man have a razor with it. They already see me go and be a foolishness.
It's a calm phone out there. Oh. How you going on, my dog? There, man, everything good with you? Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, you just hear say your boss they put you in jail. Oh. What you say? Yeah, man, I know say that a pinky cousin chat America. Yeah, man, I know say man, me never find out that man. What you say? David and we say David and cousin that too. Watch me not really busy about one cousin and cousin. I'm buying a daddy. A new man in charge right now, my friend. You see me I tell you, boy I see they are jail now. Right now me they make sure say me set all your link them right now. Catch you now. And me I run things right now. And boy I say they must come back around right now. And if me have to pull a string to make sure you say stay when you daddy. One thing man, you know amount of millions run across the sins. You like a few days in there jail. For sure me say why even I have the whole like glory. No worry yourself, me say man. You make my understand yes, I understand, me not trust them. But remember, David and a fool boy. Cause David and me just like say me a go link right now. To make sure say him the on fool side. And I say him, I say them the man the response to route, you know. If them the man they say about to go through, nothing can tap in if he say if it tap. Boy God alone can help you. And I know these things. Alright. But hear me say still, big up yourself still, my general. My respect for you, you see me, my respect for it, cause if me never know, you da make me know, alright? So chat. You know, you're on the good side. Right. So just keep your eye open, cause any little thing me can do for you, I'll do it. So me don't tell you. We are on the town now. Believe me, man. Alright. Daffy, damn. I have to watch it to them. No man, I'm give him a nice offer. Yeah, man. Can't trust them still, but you know what? No man is an island. After that. Oh, you wanna see them dog? That's the 4. Can you say go down?
What's that, quick?
You know, go man, I like give thanks to the little thing that make reach over there, you know, cause I make your business run kind of smooth, you know.
Oh gosh, man, I know I'm pretty man, and even on that.
You must go and keep the road open, you know. And the little traffic, you just make you know from ahead of time. You see, it's like I say, that man they are jail and all that. I don't know say food have to still run because all the more they have to feed down.
Yeah, man.
So you know, so we still have to keep busy. So
I know that, man.
So
When that man there, I owed a couple million. Well, I collect 1, 2 or 3. And all that all I mash up my local program and sitting dog.
2 or 3
Something all that
million.
Millions, bro. Millions.
A month time.
Millions with a Z, not a S. Millions.
Church of God.
Couple of them, man.
No bad man. Cause when I time I say that I'm supposed to owe you to one time to do.
I mean, man.
So you are going to Cause I tell you, I respect what you do for what you do. Cause I save me too. You see me? Believe, cause if you look information you give it that, you know, so I go there sell black with him down the said but you know, I try to clear up the debt with him. I tell you, I clear up to one time, you know. Cause we need to get for my food yet. So when this thing I run through first, I tell us make it go through right. Your food is sure. You dig my try sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. So that's best side there right now. Yeah, man, just keep feeling because keep my one place there.
Oh, man, he's good, man.
Yeah, dog.
My cousin love to work, you know, but he look like he love to work more than himself as far as I can see.
You know, you have to understand. So that's why I even want to try to tell us if you say nothing to you, because I don't want to go mash at your business.
I know, man, proceed, man. We are getting the job done.
Yeah, man, catch it out. Money we saying.
Happy.
Money we saying, daddy.
Bro.
Alright, we say millions with that what?
He said,
Alright.
You see before I get the piece of link with public. The moment of bills me have to pay, bro, when I collect my check from government, I'm on time. I realize, say, oh gosh, you see, if I'm sick now, I can't go to doctor. It's like hand to mouth, bro. You see me, so right now, this a piece of bread that changed my life too. So I don't have to work and jump out, doctor.
But you know, I tell us, I think work right and proper way. A piece more food that we get, daddy. 1 pay, man. Everything all good, man. Just make sure you say that I get time if you get them and sell back. That's the code, man.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your
Can't see a friend. What's up?
I know.
My friend.
Bossy, me go bail, you know.
Who?
Bossy.
Where's he going to be? Bail him?
I go bail Bossy, but here what go on. The company will look so money to bail because you know what things that already. Bossy not there. There no money. Understand? So I'm going to for company road and now. And guess what, you know? Half my cousin just left here a while ago.
Which cousin?
The same girl where you see him, man.
So the girl still there?
Eh?
You still about the place, huh?
Yeah? Maybe. Why?
You must say get a police.
What?
So you say what's their jail?
My cousin. My bossy there.
America or America. What am I? Maria, she not call it America.
My cousin make bossy there. No, man, what you saying? Come here. You not see, I lay the tell.
You sure you're still about it? I'm not trusting you. I mean, them people see when it comes to CIA or CBR, like that, some see so.
So you say, and the little dirty girl lock up bossy.
I'm hungry.
Eh?
And you tell about cousin Ross.
Yo, you know what I mean? I never trust the girl, you know, I never trust him, you know. So to me say, girl there in your house and sitting and really lock up bossy. I mean like she come to come stay with me and really lock up bossy.
Oh.
Eh?
She lock up like a so much you feel like you come and come tell me that a bossy they get this information from you understand. I say you see you I can't you cannot see one point. Come and say still. How much money you do want sir?
Be bossy. Why? I say, I want changing that 1,000, you know. Changing that 1,000. I don't know if first part me go for final on Monday. And I even more, you know, but you just have put it to this so.
But you may say, man, see, me pressure me can't do that. Me go do that, but in the first, me go be a boss if you. You come like you're stressed out.
You be a bossy?
You go be a boss if you, man. I pressure you.
Come not tell no lie, no one time me there pre-say. Me go in and me look money when me see if you buy one car. Now come on one car now. Yeah, me
can't talk about a car daddy.
Yeah. Me have 1 million already, but one more million penny, you understand? And it come like do if you go in it a while ago.
Watch this time.
Because see how so many you go in it. Eh?
Oh, where's no Sebastian here?
Nobody don't know. And me first call and say, you have to carry some money come for bail him.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh, the money they want it. And if you money reaches so you can't bail him.
No.
Watch it now. Yes, watch this time. See? For me, I see I want to live about type position. More help her as my sister. More help me to get that cash. See?
So put the next million money.
One send it. Just make it get the bank account. One send it money.
That's me I say God is good.
You just buy a car and live up.
Yeah, but I want to deal with bossy and all
You
that.
tell me deal boss man about that man. I'm telling you. I want you to man pure
You say we say we got some stars together.
Come boss to the jail, there's nothing like I said, the business still around. Nobody now quarrel. Because we took up everything in our hand, but we can't find out what they pray deep. We pray deep over there. Because they feel like you and this girl that work, because you fancy your cousin and you're missing when you say you and this girl that work, you know. I'm missing up, you know. When I tell you, I'm glad I see you, my sister. I come like you just a find out say my big old police stuff. But I say about boss, I take care of boss. I say just relax your brain. Make you get a piece of cheese. You go get the car, man, and just go and watch him and go spend 1 2 months. Rest the brain.
So maybe you're there sitting like, yeah, say, where's about side out? Where did I say?
No, I make you know, say, man, everything still a go on, said you. Every collection of make a chop off, so things still a funnel down.
So you deal with bossy? You say I'm going to deal with him now? I know, you're not going to deal with him now.
No, so I say I'm going to send $1 million first. And I'm going to run to my money and go deal with bossy. You like me to try to share about me? I am just use the money to be a bossy and just wait.
No, eh?
So I just give $1 million, man. And then I make a lot of money
bossy,
to
but not so.
I'm going to try to tell you, just go get by and
See me, I tell you,
breathe the brain.
It's come like me really have to live up on that place of the tree, you know, because as according to what my cousin say, why? Come like everything in talk,
You come like me, tell you some more cousin say.
What you say? I say you deal with bossy.
I said to you in the house, your cousin come ready with SWAT team.
Alright, I'm go back in. Nobody can read me with SWAT team.
Yeah, man, you want me to say deal boss, man. You know, text me account.
Alright.
You see me, line 4. Someone just give me one next 5. Alright. 5 more days more time.
No. If you got it.
Hmm?
You got to tell us it. You got to tell us it.
What?
Remember the 200,000 you won me. The borrow from me the time there.
You want it?
You can put it on the 1 million.
And you about the rank thing? You about the rank
No,
thing?
I just have to say you can put it on the 1 million. You understand?
Yo, God, I'm going to give you 3. So I'm going to give you 1.3.
Alright.
Then,
Yeah.
you just drink a bottle of Hennessy for me, yeah?
Alright.
Right. Alright. So, what you say? You not come out with it.
Marika. Me up a yard. Come now. Yeah, come now. Girl, just come now.
Pinky. Where's
Come on. Sit down there, sir.
Someone put it on
No, I'm not talking about. Don't listen. Don't listen.
What problem? What happened?
Marika.
Me and here, I'm not this Pinky. Wow, you know, just one minute, oh, so no, I can't be back and I'm married now.
I can't believe, say. You're number 13.
What is
I
that?
can't believe, say you're police. Marika,
Who tell her that?
I can't believe, say you're police. I'm having a horse. You couldn't kill me, no? You couldn't kill me. You're police. Jesus, please. Marika is so wicked. Me and you grew up, you know, and this is how you stay from a longer time. Let me tell you how you stay. You always like you want in a competition, you may go like a better me. I saw you treat me like a better me.
You talk like a bad man.
Me not talking on my bad mind, but me just show you how you stay. So now you come down and so you lock up my boss. You lock up my boss. So what you think you do? You stop me food right there, sir. You stop me food there, sir.
That's why
That's
you...
for sure. You say you. There's a wicked Marika. God don't see you. God don't see you, Marika.
God don't send you. You see, it's type of mindset where you have, and the type of person you be. You feel like me always. Wow, you feel like me go on like me better than me not go on like me better than you think. It's just the type of person I am, and the type of person me want to do. You like bad
Hey!
and me not like that, you know. You don't want to send me love. But alright, everything on the table. Yes, I'm not a police. Well, I am detective. I am a detective.
Jesus, you see me I tell her. You see me I tell her, Father God, you know.
As an undercover, to catch your boss and catch all who mourn him. But Pinky, because me love you as a cousin.
Love who?
Me not send you to jail because you're supposed to be
Love
in
what's
jail.
which cousin? Part of them is nothing.
That's
Me and
okay
you
by
are not,
me.
me and
That's
no
fine.
cousin. I mean, I want your love. Because you could have never loved me. And come take down my boss so you give me money and I make sure say me alright. You know how me eat? From the tree, you know me, you know me eat. You know how me,
Well,
you
that
know what
nothing
for me?
to do with me.
You ever said more change it? Dirty police guy ever said more change it?
You see,
Dirty
you are calling me
detective.
dirty detective. You are a dirty skettle.
You're lucky.
That's the lifestyle
Dirty
you
detective, girl, you come down here now. Fi
Want.
come,
That's
fi
for sure.
come.
So me have class,
So-
and me have ambition, but you don't have none
To
of
all
that.
you want fi compete with me. To all you want compete with me now, dirty police, girl. You see what you do? You take on my boss and you come mash up my organization. You see you? You see you?
Me want
Can I go
compete
see
with
that? You
you.
see you?
Me want compete with you, Pinky.
You? What you mean? Cause you never want to compete with me from a longer time, you know. You know, just go like a better me. You bad mind me under style. You bad mind me under style. Cause you see what you do now? You see what you do now? Take for my blessings for me look food and me and make.
Me bad mind, you understand?
You know what you
As
have me?
why more? No, but you have to me bad mind. Remember, you're still in a family.
The bone from my body, girl, you bad mind me for. The look of family house, you bad mind me for.
Me have a
What
job.
bad mind me for?
Me have everything when I want. So why would I bad
You have
mind
everything
somebody
when you
like
want?
you when I have nothing?
Everything you
You
want?
have to depend on somebody.
You
Girl,
know-
I work my
You
money.
know what I'm to you?
You don't.
You talk about you have this. You know what I'm to you? You bet you're a thief. Cause me not trust not me name police and me not
I
like
don't
not me
care.
name police.
I don't care. It's my job.
And that me not make you know. You come here so long and walk and turn your back. You turn your back around there so I feel like you protect. Oh,
I know
Why?
I'm protected because
You feel like you're protected.
none of you look a fool boy them where you come go on like them bad or whatever. None of them can do me nothing. All of me like clothes.
girl,
And my face
you see a
tight,
3
so
year
none of
gone.
them can do me
A
nothing.
3 year
And
gone.
me catch a boss with
3
ease.
3 year out of my life
From
forever.
the first
Go
time
on,
I come here, I
go
could
on,
have
where they
boss.
go?
I'm gonna hold your boss. I know enough things about you and all of them. I bring in a station, Pinky. Because I guess what more you feel alright. But you not see that. You're pre-corrupt because you're bad mind and you're jealous. That's you. And you not look and say me I protect you. You look and say me bad mind you. For what?
You don't
You're
know.
idiot.
The
You
only
don't have
thing
no
me
sense.
care about is money. You don't need money. Lift up for right. That's just gonna tell me about bad mind. And money me care about. And you
Let
no
me get a
money.
deal.
Oh.
Let me get a deal.
Which deal?
Work with me.
Which what? We must be mad. He come. Carl, if you know where you better go on and go here. But work with you for what? What you say to me? Work with you for what?
Miss Scott.
How come you want to go right now, you know?
You know, say your name is at the station. And one phone call me make. You can make your lift up for you so you see back me like
Watch
So
him, I
decide
go
your
like
mind.
him bad. Watch him. Watch him now, I go like him bad. But one phone call, he make a me have to lift up yourself. Watch him. Watch him, I go like him bad. Watch him. Make sure you left back for you, so you don't come before him. No call me, no talk me, no why. As far today, me don't know you and you don't know me.
Yes, sir. I can show you.
Oh.
I can send you a location of Pinky. You ready for it? Alright, I'm going to send up on WhatsApp. Yeah, in the next 5 minutes. If she not do what I say. Alright. Decide your mind.
Alright. What you say me fi do?
Fine. Go like this. You don't call me. We call you.
We who? Yo, brother, we who?
Don't worry about that. When we call you, we know what to do. We get all the information, and you tell you all the information, and everything alright. Just stay in alright.
Yo, what you me no want? God? You me no want God jail, you know, you see tomorrow. Tomorrow me have to go to church. And wash off this year. Me have to go to me no want go to church, you know.
And remember this, you see, if you left from yourself, we are going to know. Any movement you make, we know. And you can't change your number. Understand me? And you can't go certain place. We send you the information where you can go, what you can do. And we need a slim like this and what you can eat.
Can't believe this man. The man go and hold off down a cell block the brother and go and normal out. Link what that's because something link you know. Yeah, that's it. Yeah man, I assist man. You me son man, watch on man. Yeah, me say I tell that man if you come up. Yeah. You ain't get your payment though. Right, so Chana. Brian, if I can make him tag down there for 1 more week right now, me double the payment and I heave enough. You say gone too far. Say, oh, judge you. I don't say a word. Me find a solution. I'm not talk this a food I know dog. I don't say a word. Out push. So yeah man. Fine now yeah man. Somebody take it far there. Me. You say that go back to TV. God no. Oh, again. That was everything. Just again. See, come myself make sure you're getting up to the new style. You know what your style is. You see, you have to see me teach you. You know I got. I'm trying to cross this place at the end. Yeah, man. Glad to know I say the back area now still. Be a thing I go and teach her. You know, be a rug my room, be a little up and down there. God knows. We have to try to keep it rocking, you know. Keep it afloat, you know.
That's a cool.
Yeah, man, because I want TV check out, man.
TV?
TV, man.
How comes?
I don't know that I saw some man must go in and also shut him up and some style.
How are they bomb right here, I tell you?
Better. You know?
So what? Somebody attack two soldier them?
One thing that's when I tell you, I tell me to make sure say everything Carper said. You see me? I'll check all the one pinky what they said there and the thing coming back. You see me?
Come here, ask you say right now, really and truly. I think you expect to come drop off certain
no,
things.
No man, catch me
I want
sure,
to.
let me tell you a caution. Remember saying we find out how I go and we find out how okay I got jail. Find out who I catch jail. Run a profile there. So I circle she now to find out what they go on. And the mother tell me say same cousin calling. So I get mad for me and I must say I'm going to be a boss. This is about the EMS. So if you go to be a boss, if I be that, I'm not know. How can I style them? So I say I have to ask you, you couldn't call my phone?
Brother, I have to shout you up on your phone, you know.
Can I come
I have to shout you. No, man, hear me I say I call up your bird and I don't know how I go on. Because really and truly, long and short of it is that. When them say to me, say boy, them have a one phone call to call who waiting take. Because we must say, certain things go on with the girl. The same object that we are talking about. Brother, me I tell you right now, no go wrong. She now forward and we have a conversation. The conversation we have, she now reveal that she's a police. So right there, so when you keep me down now, my phone drop and them take my phone and so forth. Because them have it right now an investigation, because they want to know about all the ends and this and that. So a good thing. So really and truly still, we try to shout the bird. You understand? But
okay,
you
get some noise and things down all the time, you get some smoking and something all the time.
Right now I never have no vibe with no smoking, because right now I just forward more forward to get back everything on track. I hear now, you see that girl there? Like, yo, not what I say what I say.
That girl look to say we didn't see him too, but
brother,
me saying run off still. So me saying go pick up things and run off and kind of stuff. Me know she that mistake. Yeah, from what them don't know how to trust and how to delete him.
That's a code for real.
Alright, left one left up the thing right now.
Alright, tell it to me.
Any means necessary right now. So say them, you want to try to tap the thing boss. You know what to do.
So what Brad said? And my next one thing, because right now I'm not trust.
Man, Brad said I'm done with badness, the street and a female and all. We can't tell somebody say be a hopper and then come like a Gilbert past street place.
Alright, you're with Africa.
See me?
Real and true. We're going to start over the operation.
Yeah, but to show how many really think I'm a sign up. Them man, you know, they really, they have really respect, you know. They know, so they just know some man a movie thing them. Someone me have to go to them aggressive, you know, so then we go say something mean, some weird way, like, you know. But I just the thing where I try to put on track. You know, so when you go into the business, you know, play a results, you see.
Yeah, that is it.
I know, excuse.
But really and truly, I wonder why the girl don't feel like someone and they're jail for more than 1, 2, 3 days. Why she don't feel that? Brother, right now, I tell her how I feel right now, but I do her things. But I say to myself, you know, police. So if I leave them alone and just do her thing. Right now, I tell her Bradley, I cut off Pinky out of the thing. I say cut him off because as she make ropes come in that place. So if she never ropes come in that place, then still good. On certain circumstances.
And you know, so when I time I want $1 million and miss up on I time I look at him teeth. Because if I save $1 million, you know, I look at $1 million to go buy a car. You know. So I don't if I am teeth, I miss up $1 million for that. Because if I go check all the statement, you know, see it's $1 million send out the account. You know. I don't know about that.
Alright, you're ready. As I say, everything have a start over. But when Bulby there? You're not see Bulby.
Yes, I'm link him. Oh, I post it today. I post him see. If I today, I like yesterday, but because it's from brain and shuffle up. Yeah. I remember for this man last night I see him. I know I link him. But the young government boy be there for board to man and keep everything up to date. See him.
You what I'm gonna do? I have to link him up right now.
Because only one way.
Still active.
Yeah.
I'm still a fair watch him talk, and more he make some speech and me a fair. Because sometimes I walk if I hear him mumble over there like him a madman to himself, you know. You know? Right. But they say, what think him now? Sorry. Then? Ball, babe. Freedom is a must. I'm gonna. I'm confused, guys. There's a lot of things that go on, brother. Yes, I'm trying to show. I hear you see. You see, sometimes trusting people can cause a lot of things. When I say a lot of things, it means it can make a good organization get bad in an instance. And sometimes, we have to know which party to start from. That type of thing. Mr. Man, I check phone and make sure so good certain way. You know what I mean? But I'm glad to forward out of jail place because I tell you a nice place. A nice. You know that, man? I mean, I hear say all sitting and drop out, brother. Can't believe that.
Yo, bossy. But you know, bossy. Be a mind game thing go on in a bossy.
Mind game?
Be a mind game thing go on.
Be a mind game and play and grow the kick in the body.
That's right.
You can't trust anybody these days.
And that's why right now, we want to start back the operation. He said, but you know, I cut out pink out like that. I cut out pink out right now because that's the place that kind of hot. And the girl know what I want.
And Brad, like he left it there.
No, man, we don't deal with Brad. Brad's alright. Brad's can't go on.
I just chill with money up at them.
Yeah, for some of the kids, yeah?
Chill with money up at them and chill yourself.
Alright. You see, money part now, we have to kind of understand the person will invest, you know, and the person who make the links, and the person who organize stuff in such a way. You understand what I say?
Yes.
So you're not telling boss where you tell me say?
What?
I'm not that nice one, so I'm not boss here.
Come,
you see me boss here, so can I style them?
Bossy, you see somebody a be a mind game him a go on with here. See all that money them if you go on and him take say my bad I my dad and I take over my time activity. Yeah man, say TV fire. I want to see this boy a be a mind game a go on here. Bossy, I'm not hold down. No more time chat.
Yeah, I like that. No.
Bossy, you don't get the voice message you send you.
No, because you're the phone and kind of, you get the phone now.
Bossy, you be a mind game then boy you play with you here. You know tell us say a long time you want to stay in the prison. You have to say that bossy,
I said, dark clip.
oh yeah. That man, talk to you.
Dark clip. Where you go?
I'm going to be a chance to go and test and mind give them and try to pull point in the boss.
So where boss? I'm here boss or your boss? Where boss?
Good night.
Good night.
You know why I'm calling you?
I know, sir. I don't even have the slightest clue. What's going on?
Well, you know when I just come in never know or anything but yeah, because I tell us we are gonna leave again. We are going. But what we get to understand is you in our midst of everything too. Or yourself, you can play like you don't know what me talk about. Hey, look at me talk to you. Look at me talk to you. But what more you have to understand is, you see, next time I come back down in the village again, there's no saying me not come back for public alone. I come back for everybody who they're running. Ah yeah, public come out today.
Public come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come out today.
Well,
And
If you come out, you
we have
laugh.
to live because you know what I say? Certain things now go pretty if we stay down here, so it go get worse than you know. So I have to go away and come back. But just know say I have use specific and watch. Coming over here the I'm gonna tell you this. I want me come here for one you. You understand that? So for me like you walk straight and stop walk like you want going down a narrow road. Yeah. But big up yourself again, cause
Because I don't know what you talk about, you know. Watch you know. You see if you pray if you come for me. So that's how we can come for you. Two. Not if you say we are going to do that, you know. I am local because, of course, I love you, but
when me back turn and me eye them lock. I can't do that.
just hear me
And
and
one
tell
thing
them,
want you to know, me love my job,
because
protect my job.
but just like how you know, me and these headline of work. I'm a police work and house, you know.
And some are not thief,
That's
and some are not liar,
That's
and
some
some
of
are
them.
not general, and some are not do dirty works.
Mm-hmm.
What you want to make no sense. You understand? Well, you understand me. Alright, so big up yourself, there.
Alright, my cousin.
Yeah.
Walk straight, you know.
As always, never turn.
Alright.
Understand?
I make sure something not come for you before you come for me, you know.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.